awareness. Lightly joke tuma. Never madhya.
The never nest. Actually, the never means installment plan. Never means the never means what is it? Installment plan. Actually, the never nest is one of the comic story. Means funny story. Comic story means what is that?
Funny story.
Funny story. Which is written by Cedric Mount. Who was written?
Cedric Mount.
Cedric Mount. In the story, 4 characters are there mainly. Jock, husband, Jill, wife, and Jane, relation, and nurse also are there, and Dr. Marty. Dr. Marty. So these are the 5 characters involved in that story. Actually, the story related one kind of family purpose. Let us discuss about it. Jack and Jill both are husband and wife. They married a year ago. Who are married a year ago? Jack and Jill. And also they had a small baby. And also they had a small baby. 1 year old, no? That's why they also had a small baby. Actually, they moved to a new house. They entered a new house. Where means New Hampstead. Where they moved? New Hampstead. It is a area name. You think that it is a area name. There, they purchased a new house. They moved. At the moment, one day, Andy Jane visited their house. Who came to their house? Andy Jane. She is a relation of that Jock and Jill. Means relative. A relation people will comes and goes, no? Oftenly. That's why Andy Jane visited their house. When she came to their house, she was surprised to find that even though beautiful house that one. Actually, these people are very middle class people, Jack and Jill. But they purchased a beautiful house. When she saw that house, she was very amazed that. Amazed means surprised. Why she was surprised me? Because Jack's salary was not high. Jack's salary was not high. But she is getting very little salary for a week. How much is getting means? Only 6 pounds for a week. How much is salary?
6 pounds.
6 pounds for a week. But they are living a beautiful house in New Hampstead. That's why she was surprised about their house. And they are living all comforts. So many things they purchased. How they purchase means on installment basis. Actually, middle class people eager to purchase like installment basis all those things what they want comforts. Like this, these people also they purchase all those things on installment basis. What they are purchase means piano, car, radio, and a refrigerator. These are all costly things. Piano, car means car also costly thing. Piano also costly thing. Refrigerator also. Only rich people are going to using those things, not middle class people. But these people, the jock is earning per week only 6 pounds. But he is living with comforts. Comforts means facilities, all facilities, like rich person. So that's why she is surprised about the jug. And she began to wonder whether as a wedding gift she had given them 2,000 pounds instead of 200 pounds. Actually, she got wondered. When they got married, she gave a check to them, just a wedding gift. How much she given? That only 200 pounds. When she thought that whether I gave 2,000 pounds to them, like that she thought. But she gave only 200 pounds to the wedding gift. But how like they became became rich people? Only they depends on the, what is it? Installment plans. So she could not understand how they are able to live such a lovely house. She was stunned to know that the young couple got their house and all other things by installment basis. She asked Jack, how much all this installment come to? How much it will come around to pay the per week? She asked. He replied, actually 27 pounds and 8 pence a week. See that. Actually, Jack earns only 6 pounds per week, per a week. But you had to pay 7 pounds 8 pence. Means 1.8 pence extra amount. You have to pay in installment basis. His salary is very less, but you have to pay 7.8 pence. More than that, 1.8, 6 pound, 6 pound. But his salary is very 6 pound per week. Remaining amount he would borrow from a money lenders. See it. You have to pay per week 7 pounds 8 pence. He will getting only 6 pounds. Means how much less there? 1.8 pounds less there. 1.8 pound amount he will borrow from the money lenders. So again she asked him how he could pay the loan back. So if you borrow money means again you have to pay now. How can you can back to the amount means? He told her that he could pay it back in installment. Again he told, so that's all somewhat I will pay on installment basis. So everything he will think that Jack on installment basis. Whatever he want, he buys on installment basis. So she thought, I don't want to stay here anymore, she told. So she got more angry about them, what they are doing. What they are doing? They are doing and they are getting all the things by borrow. That's why she got more angry. And she gave a check of 10 pounds to Jill and told them to make at least one article completely they are using that money. So she got more angry. Okay, Baba, I am going from here. Don't stay here anymore. I don't like you. Why? Because you are purchasing all those things on installment basis. I don't like you. I want to go. He told them and she given a check, 10 pounds check. to the Jill. Whom to given? To the Jill. When she received 10 pounds, Jill, she said to the Dr. Martin through the nurse. Why? Because the baby is there, no? She also delivered on installment basis. We had to pay monthly wise, weekly wise to the doctor fee. We had to pay weekly wise doctor fee. That's also debate is there. That's why the Jill sent money to the doctor through the nurse. When she sent the nurse to the doctor, at the time the Jack again asked to the Jill, we have to pay the car loan 2 months pending is there. We have to pay 10 pounds, give me. Like that she asked. He asked to the Jill. But Jill said to that, paying the money to the Dr. Martiman, their baby would become completely their own. Actually, these 2% don't have anything own item in that house. That's why the Jill told that to the husband, if you pay 10 pounds, the baby is ours. Like that she told. Actually, this story, what it will tell us means just cash down, don't debate. Cash down, don't debate. This story will tell us in our life, in our daily life, we don't make such type of things and we don't borrow money from others. So, this is the story of Motu.